Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today, Mila is going to do a video, and I'm just going to be here to help her a little bit. So, you want to tell her about your name? You want to say hi?
Mila.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Tell them how old you are. I just turned, how many? Show them. You got to do it like this. 4. She just turned 4 in December. I have our first ever box for Mila. It's called My Imagination Mail. It's actually a preschool subscription box, and it's really, really cute. I was looking on the website, and there's like fairy tale stuff, and it's just, the themes are super cute. They have to do with like the holidays and stuff, and it's really, really cute. This subscription is based for children ages 3 to 6, so Mila fits in this perfectly. And then the subscription box is $34.99, and that covers the shipping too. So it's not $34.99 plus shipping. And then there's also a postcard subscription that you can add on for $5 more. Hold on a second. There's also a postcard subscription thing that you can get on there for just $10 by itself. Or you can add it on to your box for $5 more, which would make it $34.99. That includes the shipping. So we will share this with you guys, what she got. Hold on. They also had some options like a My Birthday Bear box, which was super cute. You might check that out if you're looking for like a birthday subscription. That'd be kind of cute. And then they also had a Tooth Fairy kit and then a Dragon Tooth Fairy kit. So like a girls and a boys type of one. Or if your girl likes dragons, you know. There was just a couple different options. So Mila wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys. So we're going to show you what the box looks like. This is what it looks like right here. It says myimaginationmail.com. That's the website. And it actually says to Mila. And she was so excited, didn't you? What did you say when I said it was for you? And then she really, really likes, which one do you like on the sides?
This.
She likes the leprechaun or the Mother Nature one that you said. She said this one looks like Tafiti. And I said, that's Mother Nature, silly. That one right there. You're so funny. Okay, so now she wants to open it up. So we open it up, and there's some paper right there. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me help you.
This.
Hold on 1 second. Let me help you. Okay. It's a note, and it says Mila on it. So you're going to open it up. You need to get in here a little bit. It says Mila on there.
Mila.
Let me see. It is, it says, "Hi, Mila. It's Eddie the Easter Bunny, and I'm very excited to be writing to you. It's almost Easter, the very best holiday of the year. Santa might not agree, but who doesn't love flowers, sunshine, and Easter time fun? Since you're new to Santa's circle of magical friends, I'll tell you a secret. I'm the vice president. I have the most helpers after Santa. I have lots of bunnies and chicks helping me get everything done in my factories. They are like elves, Santa's elves, but mine are bunnies and chicks. Santa says that you're on the nice list. And now you're an official member of Santa's Circle of Magical Friends."
I'm not on the naughty list.
And then it has a whole bunch more that I'm not going to read out loud, but I'm going to read it to her here in a minute. She's just excited to check this out. So, yeah, this one's for me. It says to the grown-up. Okay. And it shows you, it says, "My Imagination Mailbox is meant to be something that allows a parent and a child to interact with each other and make fun memories that will last a lifetime. We want your children to grow up and tell stories about remember when we, so on. Take videos or photos, get silly and messy, but most importantly, get involved with your child and the contents of this kit. We want to make your child a star. So feel free to upload your videos and photos to our Facebook page, to My Imagination Mail, or email us." And then it has the email. And then it says, "As you always, refer to instructions and warning labels on each product for additional details. Because
And my mama have to look pretty in the video.
Only you truly know your child."
I need a makeup on, lipstick on, and a little bow.
Okay. So we're going to go ahead and see what else is in here first. Let's see what this is. This is the March Larry the Leprechaun's calendar and the April Easter Bunny calendar. So that's cool. It tells you like different days. Look, peanut butter and jelly day. So we'll have peanut butter and jelly on that day. Is that funny?
Yeah.
And then this National Oreo Day is coming up. National Meatball Day. So we're going to have to hang this up so she can just see the different fun holidays. Okay, so you're going to grab the first thing out of there and we're going to show everybody. What do you see in there?
Egg.
Show everybody. It's over here. The camera's over here. What is that?
Egg.
Is that cool? What's in it? Let me see. It is a... Let's see. You hold on to that for a second. Let me get my mommy helper.
I want to take this sticker off.
I think it's a glitter goo or something inside of it. So we're going to play with that after this. We will definitely do some photos on Instagram and on Facebook and stuff. So if you guys want to see that, definitely I'll have that link down below for you guys to check it out. What else did you get in there? Let me see.
Little racer
Oh, these are cute.
Little racer candies.
I think these are, I don't know if these are candy. Are these candy? This is in a little, cute little container. They're little dominoes. Let's see. Little dominoes. I don't think they're candies. I think it's to play dominoes.
Yay.
Yeah, so that's cool. Oh, that's this flat ball. Look at that. Let's show everybody. Let me see. She likes that. Let's go ahead and open that and you can show everybody what it does. Oh, this is cool.
Squish. Squish.
Yeah, show everybody. It's over here. You gotta scoot over a little bit. You gotta get in the video. Now show everybody.
Splat.
It's got egg yolk in it. Like a real egg.
Egg yolk.
Egg yolk. There's an egg yolk in there. So that's
Chocolate
fun.
dollar.
Oh, she found the candies. So she's got a little Easter bunny pin. Hold on. An Easter bunny pin. So you can wear that for Easter.
Yeah.
She's got some marshmallows.
I love candy.
Yeah, some little hard candies. Some jelly bean. Or no, these are hard candies too. Little hard candies. And then little chocolates. Ooh, she's excited for this. Candy, candy. All right, grab this top thing off of here. Hold on. Next we have, hold on, an egg decorating kit. That's awesome. This one is, let's see. It's got 48 stickers, an egg dipper, 5 coloring tablets, and a pop-out drying tray. So that's cool. Are you excited? We can do some Minnie Mouse stuff for Easter. You got a velvet poster, so look, you can color it. Are you going to color it?
Yeah.
She wants to do that tonight, huh? You going to color it? That's really cute. So she likes that. What is that? Do you know what that is? That's an airplane. We're going to build that later. It's a jelly bean airplane. Those are fun. Oh, you got another one? This one's got stripes on it. Ooh, are we going to fly airplanes together? Whoa, what is that? Hold on, let me show. This is, yeah, a smash and egg game. How do you know? It says roll the dice.
And then
pick an egg and then get cracking. 12 reusable eggs inside. Did you fill it with water and blah, blah, blah? Oh, that sounds fun. So, yeah, we'll definitely have to do, I will definitely have to share that in a review video if we really love this game. So, that's really cute. I've never even heard of that. So, that's cool. She's excited about that.
Hatchimals.
This is a Hatchimal card game. She is obsessed with Hatchimals. So, this is going to be a little Hatchimal character. And then this is a little card game. So, we'll have fun trying to figure out how to play that game. That's cool. Is that fun? What else you got in there? Then she's got some stickers. Or, I mean, not stickers. I meant to say crayons. A little crayon thing. Super cute. While I'm waiting on Mila to get back, I just wanted to include in here that everything you get in here is always worth more than the money that you are spending on the box. So, if you get the $40 box, you're getting, I think she said it's like $50+ is inside the box. So that makes it a really good value. So far, she's super excited about all this stuff and is super excited to do some of these fun activities. And I think it's really cute because we don't really have I'm not usually creative enough to come up with ideas for stuff for us to do together. So this is really cute little things that we can do together. It'll be fun, I think. So she'll be back in just a second. Then she got a, Mila's back. Say, I'm back.
I'm back.
This is an activity book with some little crayons.
Yeah,
And
my
then,
turn.
what did you get? Show everybody.
Big.
You got to get in the video.
Big crowns.
A box of crayons. Yay. Okay, what else you got in here? This kind of seems like a March/April box because it's got some. This is a March a little combination of March and April, which is really cute because we can do the little leprechaun stuff, you know. That's fun. You want to do this together too? Little, it's a mobile craft. So you can hang it up in your room and it'll dangle and it'll be really pretty and it'll have a rainbow and stuff. Is that cool? You have to get in the video. You're not in the video. Okay. So what these are little blank cards. So you can do these to make notes to your grandma. And then the envelopes to go with it. So you can make little notes to your grandma or somebody. Just to say hi, I love you and stuff. And there's a whole bunch of different colors. So you could do that. Isn't that fun? What is this? You have a tissue Easter Bunny craft kit. So that's fun. Do you like Easter bunnies? Or bunnies? I can't see you in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. You keep getting out of the way. You gotta stay in the video. Right there. Grab the thing out and then get back in the video. She's trying to get to the stuff, so. Sorry, she keeps ducking out of the video. Okay. So what is this? What is this?
I got stickers.
Stickers. Now get in the video.
And
What is this?
A book.
Do you know what this is?
Sticker book.
Sticker book. Is that awesome? 288 stickers, Mila. That's a lot of stickers.
And this is a big one.
And then she got some puffy stickers. It looks like puffy pop-outs. Those are cool. Foam stickers.
I just popped one out.
Oh, yep, you did. A little gold coin for St. Patrick's Day. That's coming up. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so get in the video. So what was your favorite thing that you got that you want to try?
First, I want to try the Hatchimals.
The Hatchimal game, okay. And then we're going to try this game too?
Yeah.
We're excited about, she's really excited about playing this egg game and this Hatchimal game for sure. And then
do
coloring your
it
poster.
now.
Yeah.
Right now.
So what do you think about this box? Is it awesome?
Mhm.
Yeah? Do you think it's really cool?
Mhm. I want to try.
Is it perfect for little girls?
Mhm. I want to try some like candy first.
You want to try some candy too?
Yeah.
She likes the candy. That's her favorite part.
I never tried them before.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to say, if you guys like this video,
If
hold
you
on,
guys like this video,
give us a
thumbs up,
thumbs up, subscribe
subscribe
to my channel,
to my channel,
to my mommy's channel. It's
To
not
my
your channel,
mommy.
it's my channel.
my mommy's channel.
And then comment down below
Comment down below
what they thought was the most awesome part of the box,
was the awesome part of the box,
or if they just want to say hi,
or you just want to say hi.
because we'd love to hear from you.
Yeah.
We would. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned on my Instagram or anything like that if you guys want to see some pictures of different stuff that we do, the different crafts that we do. We're going to post some pictures, especially on my Facebook. If you want to follow me on my Facebook, I'll put them on my I wouldn't say fan page because I'm not like famous or anything, but I would call
I'm
it
gonna try some
just my Facebook page that I have for my YouTube stuff.
I'm gonna try some of my marshmallow candies.
All right. We'll have that link down below, so if you guys want to check out that Facebook page, we'll post some stuff there for sure too. So we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.